We're going to be putting in basil, hemp seeds, tomato paste, diced tomato, black beans, tomato sauce, cocoa powder, kidney beans, onions, vegan chili meat. You can essentially put any vegetables that you want in it. Onions. Step 2, basil. Step 3, hemp seeds. The secret ingredient, right?
To a banging chili, any chili, is cocoa powder.
Yeah, that's how you make your chili not taste like came from Wendy's.
Half a teaspoon.
Step 4. Is this step 4?
Nutritional yeast. Because it adds that cheesy flavor.
Step 5. Nutritional yeast.
We've just got to cook this up. Make the onions nice and soft.
It's the only outlet we got and the only walkway we got.
So we're going to throw some olive oil in here.
Maybe this wasn't a good idea for me to do.
Why, babe?
These onions are gonna mess me up, man. I'm gonna look like a chump this whole video. Look at me doing stuff.
I love it, babe.
The quality of every...
Babe, the pan's gotta be on the...
Listen, okay?
What's up, babe?
Oh, man's just grinding it out here, whipping it up in the kitchen.
Yep. What's it looking like, babe?
Looking like chili.
Babe, you wanna switch?
No! Focus!
I am focused.
Everything.
Baby, you gotta leave the pot on
the pot. You can't even see the pot on the thing.
Yes, you
I
can.
can't. 6th ingredient, my tears.
You're so dumb. Alright, babe, you can leave it now. You don't gotta stir it. Just let it sit.
But yes, now you just let it sit. Alright, so we're balling on a budget. We're out here with a 50-cent can opener.
We're opening the tomato sauce.
Yeah, the whole can of baby sauce.
Yep.
Step 7, types tomatoes. The whole thing?
Not the whole thing.
Why not?
I think it's a lot.
Ooh.
Yeah, them.
That's half. Step 8. Beans. Black beans. Like, we got kidney beans. Pop the beans, baby. You gotta watch me pop a bean.
Let's go, babe. Oh, baby, you still crying over there?
I'm trying to pop a bean while I flick my wrist and top my lid.
No, scoop the beans out.
Scoop the beans out?
Well, yeah, babe. I don't want the bean juice in there.
Alright, so step 7. What step is this?
You're literally just...
Are you filming this?
Yes, it's filming.
Step 8. Scoop the beans out.
Alright, now the other type of beans.
Holy crap. Tell my grandma I love her.
What? Baby, what is happening?
I'm losing it. The pot is big enough
For
everything. What
For
else
the
is
ground beef too, babe? And the tomato paste and the other beans?
Why did you let me add this much stuff? We don't make mistakes, we make calculated errors. So we're gonna switch some of the chili over because the pot's not that large. Boom. They didn't call me Picasso in high school for nothing. Should we just add the whole thing?
Babe, just add the whole thing, yeah. Very advanced color.
All of the beans? Not the juice. Not the bean juice. Don't add the bean juice. Fetty will get grossed out. The most legit kitchen. Hey, so yeah, I'll just take this moment. We don't just make vegan chili. We play video games, and we hacky sack and skateboard and vlog and do other things that aren't making chili in my bedroom at 9 o'clock at night. So go check those out, because they're just as interesting, if not more interesting. The whole can.
Yes.
All of it?
Yeah.
Boom. diced tomato. Just add all of everything.
Yep. And then the tomato paste's gotta be added.
This one?
Yep.
Yeah, tag me out, bro. Tag me out, tag me out, tag me out.
The chili powder. Not a lot of chili powder. Just a dash.
We're done. That's a lot of food.
And,
Oh, those wings. What? Where did you get that? That beautiful hoodie of yours. It's made of organic cotton, so there's no pesticides, chemicals, or fertilizers, or anything used in the process of making the clothes. They're printed on eConscious, so it's a company that's very focused on being eco-friendly throughout the whole process of making the clothes and growing the cotton. If you like this video and you want to watch more, you can click right there, or you can subscribe right there, or you can just look at Fetty's face. Or that one? Or that one? Or that one? Are those?